So Ansible play. Any questions on playbooks? The playbooks only the instructions where we can declare as a modules. So we can configure a different modules as per your task. Recently we have seen a CloudWatch agent process, how to deploy and all. Same kind of process only. You can do anything, whatever you want to do. The process is same. Hey, IAM role, how you can configure inventory role? IAM role, auto scaling group creation time, launch template inside we have to give. Clear what I'm trying to say? Auto scaling group will create a servers from the launch template, right? So launch template inside, you can configure IAM role also. Every instance can use the same IAM role. Clear? Or do I need to show? Not inventory file. Inventory file is Ansible concept. IAM is AWS concept. Inventory file inside, launch template inside. Now you are creating server manually, right? But server will creates by AWS load balance. Sorry, auto scaling group. How auto scaling group will create a servers from the launch template. Launch template inside you can declare a IAM role. Okay, let me share my screen. Ansible is server inside activity. Server level, how it will work. Ansible, how inventory server activities will take care. Ansible just call the things only, not to modify anything inside. So that's not a good idea, even if you can go for inventory in area. So if you go for launch template, create a launch template. First make it ready your AMI. So here advanced networking configuration, I think somewhere option is available. Yeah, advanced details. You can select your IAM role. So that this server can take only the same IAM role. Always. Clear? Exactly. If you do any patching and all, we need one more AMI. But that AMI you need to declare into the launch template. The reason auto scaling group source is launch template, not AMI, right? So we have to create a one more version. That version you can call out in the auto scaling group time. Yeah. One more question from very good guys. If you are asking like these questions, I can understand you are practicing. No inventory path is there where the request is goes to. Yeah, default inside, you can say default inside I have given what? Inventory path, right? Inventory path dot I have given dot forward slash AWS underscore EC2.ml, right? I mean, what I'm trying to say, when you run any playbook.ml, the request should go to inventory file where it is located exactly. But inventory file default path, by default, it will take, you no need to mention the default section. But inventory file path, I want to change. Where I want to change? I want to give defaults section directly. Okay. The VI etc Ansible host, that's a different where we can declare IPs. But this is AML file, right? So I'm giving the AML file in the default section where we are giving key verification host is false, right? There only. So the path AML file you can create anywhere, but you need to give a path in the default session. But my end same location there, so that's what I have given dot current directory. Yeah, existing instance only we need to create a patch AMI. Whatever the things are added, those will be only updated. Clear? Okay, then let's get started. If we want to install multiple, then yeah, we have to create a groups, right? No, see, one group we can call, how you can call multiple groups. The groups concept is to call specific IPs, right? Again, groups inside groups. No, not possible. Okay. Can you, okay, let me check your question one more time. Multiple software with specified groups. Yes, groups is talking about instances, which instance need to perform. Software is talking about inside instance, what you want to perform. Then I think no relation groups and softwares, right? So whatever group you can call, they're adding a server IPs, all servers inside the group, your software will be updated. Yeah, correct. Now dev group instances, everything will be updated. Whatever you want to perform in playbook. So playbook, you can give this. So the playbook will be updated. Whatever you want to update in the playbook.yaml, that will be updated into the server level. Only dev servers, not every server. Yes, if you're interested, I'm going to show you even by using Ansible, you can deploy our 3-tier project also. Can I show how to do that? I'll guide you only. Very easy. Okay. Yeah. Wait. I'll show you now. You will get some clarity now. Okay. Before that, let me explain one concept so that you will get a clarity. There is a dependency concept. Yeah. Let me go to my repository. Yeah. So DevOps Ansible final. Let me explain. These concepts are pending. So these all AMLs I have already explained the things. Include module. Yes, let me explain what is include module. So guys, in the playbook.yaml, we have a copy module is there, right? And we have a install module is there, and we have a restart module is there, and we have a index.html file is there. But what include module will work? Include module is a concept where we can split our tasks as a child.yaml tasks. Understand? So here if you can see, why error is okay. Okay, I think this is my company's laptop. So let's move to here. Hmm. Okay, so include modules. Yeah, this is copy module is there, right? So copy module is there, install module is there, restart that YAML is there, start that YAML is there. I mean, the whatever before we discuss the thing here, this all YAML files, we can split it into child.yaml files. So this task, I can split it into child.yaml, child.yaml, child.yaml like that. So these all YAMLs, I will control from one main.yaml like this. So include tasks, this is include module where I'm defining as an item with items child install.yaml means this will work. Child start.yaml means this will work. Child copy.yaml means this will work. Child restart.yaml means this will work. So the same concept, what is the use of the include module? We can easily manage the things by ordering. See, first install, then start, then copy, then restart. But if you give first restart, you may get some issues. So ordering, we have to follow how the process will work. So include module inside, we have a main.yaml. The main.yaml inside, I'm creating a different child copy.yaml and all. From here, I'm calling everything. Clear, everyone? What I'm trying to say? Let's go and show you. Like root and child module. Very good. Yes, exactly. Like root and child module. Let me launch one server. Okay, I'm creating an Ansible server. Okay. Let's connect. Let's try to connect now. Taking time. Yeah. Sudo su hyphen. Let's run dnf install ansible hyphen y. So DNF also official repository like for Amazon Linux 2023. Okay. This is completed SSH hyphen keygen. cd.ssh cat id taking public key. Okay. The thing is, I need to create one more server. This is private server. Private server again. The challenge is that to connect. Okay, let's create one more server. Node. Even you can log in through SSH and there paste the key also, but this server key is disabled. So I'm creating one more server for the node custom VPC. Yeah, public subnet 1A. Enable security group. Okay, let's connect to node and copy the key. And let's try test the SSH command. Then we can start our process. Okay, let's switch to sudo su hyphen cd dot ssh vi authorized keys. So let's paste the key. Okay. So let's try to ping, copy, SSH. Able to connect. So exit from here again. I'm inside of Ansible again. So I'm install git hyphen y. So git to clone my repository. Okay, let me clone here the project repository. Sorry, Ansible repository. Let's go to Ansible final. Yeah. So go to include module. Yeah, you can see now. So the main.ml is there. That main.ml will call all the child modules. So here this you can consider as this is like a project, for example, where we can add index.html to copy the copy.ml, install, restart, start. So here main.ml is organizing your child.mls by call one by one. See, first install, then start, then copy, then restart. I'm calling like a with items, iterations. Same. I have already, let me show you. We already discussed same concept. Loops. See iterations, items with item, same, but I'm calling child.mls by using. Okay. So let's go to apply. So Ansible playbook. So how to run all YAML files? Let's see dot will work or not. No. I think this is okay. Let's Ansible playbook. I can run main.yaml. We'll see. Oh, sorry. I need to add a inventory also, right? My bad. So what is the default path? etc Ansible hosts. Let's add a private IP. This is not dynamic inventory, so this is default IPs where we can register. Let's run. See, calling all the, I'm just running main.yaml only. Main.yaml is calling your child.yamls. Yeah, it's a root.yaml. You can understand root.yaml. Root.yaml is calling child.yamls. You no need to run child.yamls. Control from only one YAML. Now you can access node public IP. Control C. Yeah, I'm able to access my application. This is simple hello world only. Okay, clear till here? Perfect. Okay, this is child module. See, this is a different concept by calling a different YAML files from the master YAML file. Okay. And the final, a very important concept is roles. What is role? Okay. So let's go to understand now. So guys, in Helm project, once you create a project, all YAML files will be updated automatically. So here also, so if I go and run Ansible role command, so you can see everything automatically will update the required YAML files. You no need to do anything. Let me show you. Ansible Galaxy command is this Galaxy. Okay, let's check. I think create Ansible Galaxy create. Let's see. Yeah, init first. Okay, that's it. Ansible Galaxy init. You can give any name. For example, I'm giving a project K something. Okay. Okay, let's give outside of the repository. Ansible Galaxy init and give a project K. See, role created automatic. Same like a Helm. Helm create, if you can give a project, all YAML files will create, right? Now you can see, go to project K. Project K is created. So inside, multiple tasks will be created where we can use these templates for your practice purpose. For example, uh, you can add a default section, you can add a handler section, you can add a task section, you can add a templates, whatever you want to use. So here task section means where we can add our YAML files. Handler section where we can automate the process handler and all. A default section where we have to add a defaults inventories and all. And the file section like index.html, Python, any code is there. Like that, we will get some template where we can add control our files and all. Okay. So if you can, if you can see my end, yeah, roles, first role, yeah, same. Default section is there, file section is there, handler section is there. Here, task section inside my childlet module I'm updating. Tasks means copy, install, start, main.yaml. Next, file section or copy file, index.html code is there, right? File section. Handler section, restart. Restart only required when the notify will be given, right? Like that. So if you want to variabilize anything, you can give a variable here, variable block and all. If you want to test something, you can give a test something. But most useful things are files, handlers, tasks, and defaults. Okay. Same thing here, my end also created now. Able to see. Yeah. So here tasks inside, what should I go? Go to tasks. ls. Yeah. Here automatically main.yaml is created, but this is empty main.yaml. You can see. Yeah. So here we have to provide all YAML files. So let's give a, I'm going to give my all YAML files. So we have to copy paste properly. Okay. So this is copy.yaml. Yeah. Okay. So you need to save this name. Let's go to here tasks. So first I should add this one. Yeah. Done. So main.yaml is done now. Okay. So tasks under main.yaml is done. So I need to add a required child modules also. So child modules I'm giving here. So name, whatever name you are calling in the main.yaml, same name you should give. Otherwise it will throw an error. I'm giving here copy. Okay. So let's give the copy.module, copy.yaml also. Insert tasks only I'm uploading. Okay, let's create a one more. So insert tasks, I'm updating main.yaml, child.copy.yaml and all. Next, install.yaml. Before that, this name you should give same where you, what you can declare in the main.yaml. So, yeah, copy. Done this one also. And the final one, so start.yaml. Copy. vi child, sorry, paste it. Copy. Done. Now here, okay. So your playbook.yaml is there, right? Copy, install, start. So for copy, we need a index.yaml, right? And also to restart, we have a handler, right? You no need to mention the task section. There is a separate section for that to add any code, to call any handler and all. So that for that, you can go to file section for add a code. Here you can add your index.html. So reference is already there here. So file section inside. See, like this, we have to create index.html. You can add a code. Vi index.html. Just I'm adding something here. Okay. Okay. So copy code also done inside the file section. Next, handlers are there, right? Yeah. By default, everything provided by Ansible only when you run Ansible Galaxy init command. So what you need to do, the required files, you need to choose a specific suitable templates where there you can paste it. Okay. Okay. So let's add now handler also. Handler, you no need to add into the file section. There is a separate handler block. So you know, right? Handler, just avoid to restart multiple times your process until to any changes inside the code. So here directly you can add a handler block. Main.yaml is there, right? This is empty main.yaml. You can see you need to add your, yeah, you need to add your handler block. So my handler block is restart. Yeah, copy. So clear now. So I have added everything. So handlers, and guys, one thing you need to understand here, you no need to add here separately handler again. The reason this is handler block. But if you can see our practice, so we have added explicitly where we have to configure the handlers. So see, for example, yeah, if you can see, yeah, handler block is there right here. We have added here notify, handlers and all, right? But when you coming to the role, you no need to add here explicitly handler means handler and like that. When you add any YAML file inside the handler, that automatically works like a handler only. So my handler inside, yeah, restart web server, something given, right? Definitely this should be there in the copy.yaml in the tasks. See, when it will be notified this event, immediately the request will go to handler. This will restart. Clear now what I'm trying to say? Now, yeah, now we can control everything through Ansible Galaxy, I mean, role only. Now your project is ready, for example, a different templates. But guys, if you want to run this template, your end one YAML file is required. Ansible playbook only supports YAML file only, right? But these are a folder structures. So what we can do here, we can create a sample YAML file to call your project only. Okay, we have to create a YAML file for call a role. See, you should come out for the project role here. Yeah, your project case is here, right? Create a sample role.ml. You can give any name, no problem. Here you can write a playbook task to call your project case. Like, see, I have already created. Like this. Copy, paste. But my role is what here? Project case. So when you run this playbook.ml, this will call your project care role, automatically run all the AML files, executed all the tasks. Ansible playbook. So I'm giving role.ml only. This role.ml will call your project care folder. Inside all the templates already defined, run one by one. Let's run. See, gathering of facts playbook is. Let's go to copy, then clear now. How to work with role? Just run Ansible Galaxy init command, give a project name, automatically folder structures will be created. Tasks folder section, we can choose your child.modules. Handler folder, you can give any restart options and all. File section, you can add a code and all. Yes, clear, everyone? Okay. Okay. In real time, only role preferred. So just I want to show one thing here. No, it is Ansible. Yeah. No. See here. This will call your ETC Ansible hosts only. All means ETC Ansible hosts only. Okay. Specific group means specific group you can give. Inventory means automatic inventory file, dynamic inventory file. That will take care. You have to add default section, ec2.ml. There you can add a plugins and all same concept. Clear now, everyone? Yeah, host checking calls also required. Yeah. So guys, just I want to show you one thing. For example, I'm just asking to ChatGPT, my end, front end and back end, what is there? How to deploy through Ansible. Just you can give. This is expecting login. Yeah. Let me wait. Login. See, I think you can easily understand right now. So this is if you want to add inventory block, you can add front end task inside main.ml, backend tasks inside main.ml, RDS tasks inside. I mean, the role inside you have to create 3 separate roles: front end, backend, RDS. You can see inventory host and all like this. You can do with Docker also. Already Docker files are ready. And then I think you can understand, right? So backend YAML file calling and go to shell. It is go to backend and deploying and run also. You can create RDS also if required, but it's not a good idea to create RDS. Yeah. So front end, role, Docker, front end, host, backend, role, RDS like this we can run. This is the process, how to handle even the existing project. By Docker Compose, we can build it 2 images one time. This is yeah, this is correct process, guys. You can follow. So different process it is giving. Docker Compose process also you can up, a Docker build file process also you can up like this. Clear? Otherwise, I'll do one thing. Try your end. If you're unable to do, I'll make it as a repository so you can do it. By the way, this is Docker process. Without a Docker process, also what we can do, we can create a 2 roles. One is front end, one is back end. Front end playbook.yaml inside whatever installations you have done inside your EC2 manually, those you can give through playbook.yaml. Okay, let's go to Guys, and okay, so there is a concept in Ansible, lamp. Okay, a lamp is a stack, a Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. I mean, so simply we need to work with more these areas in the Ansible. Apache means front end, MySQL means database, PHP means here we can use Python also. So back end language. Okay, by configuring everything through Linux. So if you want to do any 3-tier projects and all, so this will comes under LAMP. Okay, if I run now, for example, if I run now, first install Apache, then install MySQL server, then install PHP. Like that. Mostly we are saying, have you worked on LAMP and something? You don't confuse. LAMP is nothing but just configurations. Apache is A, L means Linux, M means MySQL, P means Python or PHP. This is the process. Okay. Okay, guys. So please practice so far whatever I am showing here. So I'll explain a one project tomorrow. So please attend tomorrow. I'll come to offline tomorrow as usual. So you can come to offline tomorrow. So we'll take one more project. So CloudWatch Agent is a one project. So we can take one more project tomorrow. On Ansible. Clear? So please, this Saturday also class is there tomorrow. Please attend. I'll come to institute. Yeah. Yeah, LAMP is going to only require softwares for the 3-tier architecture and all. You already shown, right? This is the okay, guys. So I have some important work now. So I'm going to wind up this session now before 30 minutes. So the see, LAMP is nothing but just a playbook. LAMP playbook means what? One playbook can control the 3 packages. One is for MySQL, one is for Amazon, sorry, Apache, one is for Python or PHP. One scripting, one database, one front end. That's what. For example, I can say our AWS 3-tier project also LAMP. Nginx we are using. Okay, Apache Nginx we are using. MySQL we are using. But instead of Python, we are using Node.js language. That is also comes under LAMP only inside the Linux environment. Okay. Sunday workshop also there, yeah. Yeah, we should try. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I'll show. 3-tier project also through Ansible I'll show. Clear everyone? So this Sunday also, I'll confirm tomorrow regarding workshop. First, please attend tomorrow class. I'm going to close the Ansible tomorrow with project. Okay. Clear? Everyone? Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.